Hey, high levelers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the hosted video solution inside of HighLevel and actually use it and embed that video on an external website. Now, this is something that a lot of my affiliates that have been asking me about this, they want to use the hosted solution, but they want to be able to host it on an external site, not a site inside of HighLevel. And they keep coming to me and asking me, Ray, how do we do this? So again, if you don't know, my name is Ray O'Daniel. I am a GoHighLevel affiliate, and my job is just to help my affiliates succeed using the HighLevel platform to make money. That's it. And then hopefully I can make a living off of it as well. If you choose to use my free link or my free sign up link in the video, you get 30 days free of HighLevel. And then I get compensated if you stay with the program, but you also get a bunch of other bonuses and things like that from me if you do sign up under me. But in this video, what I want to do is I want to show you how you can create reusable embed code that HighLevel currently doesn't have. And there are going to be some limitations here, but hopefully what I'm going to show you is at least able to make it functional, and then you can just reuse this code over and over again. So let's get started. I'm going to shrink myself back down, let me move myself over in this corner. So right now, one of the things I want to do is, first of all, kind of show you the problem. Inside of HighLevel, let me go to media storage. So media storage is where you're going to basically upload your video and have it hosted within HighLevel. So whenever you do that, this is what the video does. This is a demo video I created for AI Employee. But let's just say you want to take this video and host it on another site or share this video. Here's the thing that HighLevel gives you. If you click on this, it actually just has a get link. Now, if you get a link with this, you can go ahead and paste this. And if you paste it, then this is what you get. The video, you can send a link. The video is hosted. They don't need to download it. The browser automatically opens up and displays the video. You can just simply click play. And then all the controls and everything else that you have is completely there. Now, this is good. Okay, don't get me wrong. This is good. But what if you want to control the size of the video? You want to control where it's placed at. And more than that, you don't want it to go full screen on this because you're going to be embedding this into a particular customer site. How do you do that? Very similar to how YouTube has their embed code. I'm actually going to use their embed code as the primer of me building the embed code I'm going to show you. And I'm going to show you how to change it and modify it so that it can meet your needs. Now, one of the things I do want to show you here is one of the features that I noticed that didn't have. Let me go ahead and click on this again and load it.
Running a business?
Okay, so it's automatically running. Let me start it all over again here. Now, notice one of the things that didn't happen. Okay, and this is one of the things that I'm going to bring up a little bit later on. I just want to show you right here is the video does not autoplay. Okay, even though you get a lot of the autoplay features, if you put this video and you host it inside of HighLevel, I'm going to show you some of those features. They're just a toggle switch where you can toggle stuff on or not. But when you have an external video hosted on a site, it's not that way. It doesn't autoplay. But I want to show you this quick little trick here. You're going to use something called a query parameter. So at the end of the video link, you're going to sit back and do a question mark, and then you're going to simply put in autoplay equals yes. Okay, so I've been playing around with this. I've been doing this for a while, and some of the other players support this. So HighLevel does too, I found out. So if I do this, then what happens is that the link sits back and it autoplays the video for you. This is going to come in handy depending upon whether or not you want to autoplay the particular piece of code. Again, I'm going to show you how that works in the embed code as well. So I just want to show you that's available, that you could use that autoplay equals yes, or if you wanted to, autoplay equals no. So either one of those are a nice little trick to use if you're using a link, or let's just say if you're embedding a link inside of a trigger link, or you're sending a link with an email sequence for the video that people can watch a video, then having this autoplay equals yes added to the end of that video link is very helpful because then they don't have to click on the video, it automatically plays. So that's like hack number one right there. But let's go ahead and move on to the video embed code. So this is just simply, I'm using my YouTube channel as a basis here, but I just picked the video. And one of the things you want to do is you want to click on the share button right here. When you click on the share button, one of the things that YouTube gives you is this nice little embed code. So if you click on this, you get this type of code right here that has an iframe. I'm going to try to blow this up here if I can, and I can't. But it has an iframe. It gives you the width, the height, so you can control the size of the video to make it smaller, bigger, or however you want. It has a source, and it has a bunch of other things in here. And then if you come down here, it also has the ability to show player controls. If you want to show the controls or don't show the controls, you get for this, you can turn that on or off. I left it for the purposes of this video. I left them on. Okay. But what you're going to do is you're going to copy this embed code. Okay. And what you're going to do here is now you're going to sit back and let me pull this up. Hopefully this is big enough for you here. I copied the embed code, but I've also got a few other things in here. So I've updated this already. This right here, actually, let me see it today. Let me copy the embed code just to show you real quick here, because I hate to sit back and go through this and have you guys not see where I'm at here. So you go ahead and copy this, come back to just text editor, and I'm going to paste this down here. So this is the original iframe code, if you will. And I'm not trying to be techie here, but guys, come on, this is going to, once you build this one time, you could just reuse this code over and over again and just update the link to the video. That's all you're going to have to do. Okay. So right now, if you take a look here, the iframe, this is what it is. It has this source, this big old link right here. the source video, and it's between these two apostrophes, or sorry, the quotes. So source equals quote, video link, end quote. So this is the word you're going to sit back and copy and replace that with the link that I just showed you here in this particular video. So here, I'm actually going to leave the autoplay on. If you copy this, come back down to this text, you're going to highlight this entire link right here, and you're just going to go ahead and click the video link. So that's it. So instead of between those quotes, you're going to have the big old long link for the high level video in there instead. And you're also going to have the question mark autoplay equals yes. Again, I would say put that in there to have an autoplay. If you ever don't want to have it autoplay, then just simply change it to no. And somebody would have to click on the video to start it. Okay. So this is good. Now, one of the things you're going to notice here is with the iframe, whenever we do this, the iframe itself does not position the video. So inside of one of the high level sites, I'm going to demo this. I don't have an external site that I'm demoing this on. So I'm going to be demoing this code inside of a high level site, just using the code element, not the video element. So anyway, if you have that, you're going to need to center it. You want to put it on the left. You might put it on the right. You might want to center the video. So here's what I've done. This right here, I'm going to highlight it, this part right here. It's called a div tag. Please don't ask me what it is. It's a part of HTML code, but all you have to do is just copy this and div style equals quote text dash align colon space center. So that's it. And then what this does, you're going to put this tag here, and you also need to put an end tag for the div here, but you're going to wrap that iframe tag with the div tag that I just created, so that this is what you get, this right here. So now what you've got is you've got the div tag, which is going to center the video. Okay. Now I'm going to show you one of the things I'm going to show you just how this works. So I'm going to take this frame here first to show you what it looks like and why we want to use the div tag, I think personally. So let me hop back into high level, and I'm going to come back over here to the site area. I'm just going to use a funnel for this. It doesn't really matter. I've just got this funnel built. And this is one I was using to test out just a video, the AI employee video. Now this right here is the video element inside of high level. So let me move myself over here. If you look at this hosted video, I click on this, I choose the video from the media library, and everything works fine. Okay. So it's really easy to do the hosted video if you're doing it from inside a high level site. But again, high level doesn't generate the embed code to put this on an external site like WordPress or Wix or GoDaddy or some of these other sites that you may have. But down here, how they've got all these things, allow pause, allow all this other stuff, autoplay, just toggle these things on. You don't get those options when you're dealing with the code version of that. So you have to, in a sense, pre-program or put those options in the code, which is what we're doing. Now, I'm just going to show you right now, this is what this looks like. So this is the video. It automatically runs. Because of this, you have to turn the sound on. That's a browser thing. But this video automatically runs, and this is what the default thing is. If I try to scroll down, you will see picture in a picture. But what I want to do is I want to, in a sense, add to this. I'm going to add a video element. Now, I could, what I just did is I just added this video element right here. But I'm going to scroll down and add this code element. Now, if you're going to be embedding this onto a third-party site, most likely there's going to be an element or some component that you can put onto the website that says HTML or code or something like that, embed code or something like that, where it's a code element where you just drag it, you click on it, and then like high level here, if you click on this and then click on open code editor, it gives you a little window to put the code in. Now I'm going to paste that iframe thing that we just used with the video for this particular player on it, and I'm going to click save. And likewise, I'm going to click save, and then I'm going to preview again. Now, notice what happens. This video audio plays here, but look at this video. What if you want to move it? It's over to the left, and that's by default. But what if you want to center it somewhere in the element that you're dealing with? So the browser always keeps it centered, or you want to move it over to the right or to the left. This right here is important, and the fact it doesn't have the autoplay didn't kick in here. So one of the things you want to do here is come back to the code. And right now I'm going to go ahead and click on this. Copy it. And now this has the different kind of code in there that will actually allow it to, I'm going to highlight all, oh, not there. Highlight everything here, and then paste this new one in there with the div in there, and then click save again. And then when we do this, we click play. What happens is you come down here, and now this particular video plays. Notice now this is in the center, but right now I think this is a problem with high level site because it intermittently plays or doesn't play automatically. But let me do this. You see now it auto plays by itself here, but let me go ahead and see if I can remove this part right here and just keep this video. Okay, looks like it didn't play, but it should play on an external website automatically. So right now that's something that you might have to play with on there. But anyway, that right there is how you would take this and use the embed code to create it from high level. And once you have this code right here, I'm going to remove this stuff so we don't get it confused. So once you have this, just save it into a file. That's the only thing that you have to do. And if you wanted to, you can just simply come here and just say update with video URL from GHL, something like that. Give it a little area where a virtual assistant can say, oh, okay, so I'm going to copy this, but then I'm going to like highlight this entire thing and then paste the video link that was generated by HighLevel when you upload the video into the video player. So anyway, that right there is just a workaround to what I found, and you can keep playing with this more if you need additional features with it, but I just wanted to at least get something out there because what I've noticed is I've gotten several, for some reason, just several of my affiliates here recently have been hitting me up with just wanting to do website creation and website builds and do hosted video solutions for their clients. And I'm like, okay, cool. This is how you could do this. Because back when I was playing with when hosted video first came out, I was looking at the embed code, realized HighLevel doesn't really have any that includes all the features if you're not using a HighLevel site for it. Unfortunately, there are some features that you're not going to be able to get. You're not going to be able to do the picture in a picture right now if you don't know what that is. So if you put a video up top and you start scrolling down the page, the video will actually shrink down to the lower right portion of the screen. So the video and the audio still play, so you can still see the video. This is really great if you're building out like virtual sales pages and things like that for HighLevel. But anyway, I just wanted to sit back and at least give you this so that you will have this. You can generate as many of the videos as you want and then use this on external sites. So guys, thanks so much for hanging in there with me. And remember, if you are looking to get signed up for HighLevel, or if you're looking to upgrade to the Agency Pro level, use my affiliate link below. It is used for both. And you get all the bonuses. I offer a ton of stuff, including AI snapshots and cold email snapshots, marketing. There's just so much that I have. And not only that, you get access to me to help you out with any of the problems that you have. So thanks so much for hanging there with me. If you did like the video, like it. I'm trying to get these videos to go, I wouldn't say viral, but just have YouTube know that people like it. So thanks so much. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I do reply. Peace.